hotter. Hotter, hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Hotter, hotter. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Hotter, hotter, hotter.
I feel make some people see her again. You understand? Yeah, man, I go to church. I'm an Adventist. I'm a man of God.
You want to come from a Sunday and carry me?
I go church on Saturday. Where my friend here for? I go church on Saturday. You understand? The last time I saw you, you never told me your name. What's your name?
Yannick Lou.
Yannick Lou?
Yes.
Okay, the day that you asked for money to buy KFC?
Yes.
You did buy the
You
food?
couldn't buy it.
How much I did give you?
$500.
Right. So what you did do with it?
But the buy Kentucky for myself and never give me them none.
Mighty God of Daniel. Why you
But
never
buy
give
the
them
big
none?
bucket. You know, see, there are 5 years, I'm not pregnant again.
Eh?
So I have 5 years, I'm not get pregnant again. I have 2 babies. So I live.
So you live?
Yes, I'm poor. I still nobody sure I get them.
Oh my.
Jesus love me.
Of course I love you, man.
I'm a Christian, I'm baptized.
Yeah?
Yes, I give my life to the Lord over manly meadows.
Okay.
And I pray to him in every way, everything I do. Right. Even if I eat in a little food, I pray.
Yes, yes.
And I give him thanks and tell him to help me.
Yes, yes.
And I love him.
Yeah, this is some of my juice. You thirsty?
Yeah, thank you.
Drink some of this, yeah?
You want to give me a little change?
Yeah, may I see what you can give. But look here. Tell me more.
Eh?
So you did get baptized and all of them something there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mighty God, Daniel. See, you say your name is Yannick. Mighty God. You must be all thirsty, eh? Come on. Mighty God, Daniel. Oh my God. Everything you have done, you know? Wait, you done everything. I want back to challenge you, though.
Wow.
I saw Thursday, the
man.
Eh? Mighty God, Sister
I'm
Yana.
living in a water.
What me I call it is Sister Yana.
Yes.
You hear me? You're not just Yannick. You're not a mad man. You say you were baptized, so you are God's daughter. Yeah.
Yeah.
Last time I saw you, my name is JAHZEAL CLARKE, by the way. If you don't remember JAHZEAL CLARKE,
JAHZEAL Clark.
call me servant of God. Call me man of God. It doesn't really matter to me. Cause when we are go
So when you're coming back around here, you want to carry some clothes.
yeah, man, me can carry some clothes for you. And
Your
never try,
clothes, they
never
can't fit me.
Yeah, me go try put you up on the media too, through my page, to my ministry, so I can get help for you.
Yes.
Alright?
So
But you have to go tell me exactly which way you live, because we're going to start it
Water Street.
as much as we can. You understand?
But I feel around the gully.
Yeah, but your life have to be good, transformed. You want your life to be transformed?
Wow. Blessings of people. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know, so the attacking boss, they are NEWLINK from NEWLINK production, people. You understand? And I just want to say, special big up to this brother, JAHZEAL CLARKE, man of God. You understand, people? Yeah, man. This brother, see him on social media so much time on Facebook, people preaching in the street and with his thing on, you know what I mean? Long time I doing the work of God, people, and I really have to say big him up, people, you know? And to see he come across somebody like this, people came across somebody like this and put her up on his platform, and so comes I do get it, people, and I can share it right now. And I'm not just sharing this, people, for the likes and for the views. I'm sharing this and asking anybody out there, you understand, because I'm going to leave the contact for JAHZEAL CLARKE, people, right in the comment section and in the description section as well. And I'm asking you, please, if you can reach out to him, people, and because he's still, you know what I mean, he have other videos, you know what I mean, on his Facebook page, JAHZEAL CLARKE, you know, and you can check him out, people, and see a lot of videos that he have with her, not just one, you know, but I just came across this one, I decided to share this one, people, you know, because if you notice, it's a longer video, people, but, you know, it cut short there. So, I'm asking anyone out there, you can reach out, because if you heard what you said, people, if next time he's coming, if he can bring some clothes, see? So anyone out there you have look clothes can give to our people. Because we see people sometime, maybe we see them in the street, they look crazy, yes, because they're doing stuff that, you know, yeah, eating out of bins or these people. But you see, if we know their story, or know what they are coming from, where they are coming from, or what lead them to where there is people, tears would have come our eyes. See? And the thing I would say to anybody, you don't know what the future beholds. See? And that's why you must not discriminate or go against anybody, and you must not treat people bad. You must treat people equal. Whether you're in a dirty clothes, clean clothes, treat people equal, because nobody knows what the future behold. And you can't tell yourself, say, you can't get mad out, because you never know. You cannot. See? And basically, people, you can say, because if you listen how she talking, she sound to me like somebody was even traveled before. Even though she never stated or said it in the video there, but she sound like somebody who traveled before people. So what I'm saying, people, on a real level, something just happened, and I can see that she need help. She need cleansing, people. She need some rehabilitation process or something. She need help. She really need help. Not just helps her food, not just helps her clothes, not just helps her money. She need help. Do the real help cleansing, because anybody, people, I can tell you this, people, you don't give up on no one. Because you say once you have life, there is hope. And once life is there, people, anybody can transform. Once life, don't throw nobody. You see, once they breathing, they can see, they can, just know that, my viewers and subscribers. So I'm asking anyone out there, man, please assist this lady if you can. Contact JAHZEAL Clarke, people, as I tell you. I'm going to leave his number in the description section and also in the comment section. I will pin it. Give him a call, people. You understand? And, because he's doing a lot of good work, people. This brother, yeah, and this is not just the only female I see he put on his program. He put other people out there on his program, people. Because, throughout the times, people, I do get these videos, and I will do share them, I will do broadcast them, people. And these are things, natural things what we see in the street, or if we reach out and help people, yeah. These are things what we naturally know, say, yeah, this person out here in the street, she really do need help. This is another joke thing, this is another makeup thing, people. She's going through her phase, And if you hear what he said, people, she's not mad, And I would never tell her that, yeah, you're mad because maybe I see you walking in dirty clothes, you're walking barefooted and you're eating there and eating that, people. You see the lady, look how she drink the thing, people. She thirsty. See? She really thirsty. You see how she take the juice and she one gulp, non-stop, no breaks, right? So, see there? Your pads all have to fly out of here's reality. See? But my viewers and my subscribers, as I'm saying, man, anyone out there, please, you can assist. Please do link up, people, and assist. Zane, please do. And I know people will do, because anytime I showcase any type of vlogs and video like this, people always reach out and help and give their assistance. So, enough love, my people, enough respect, and enough blessings. And just be safe out there, my people. As I'm telling you, nobody knows what tomorrow may bring. Please remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss, my people. I don't know the thing. I just more love, more respect, and more blessings. And just continue to do the right thing, my people. Do the right thing. Peace, love, respect. Be good, be great, and be safe out there. Peace out.